Don't mind me, y'all. Just getting my model on. Hey. Anyway, hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Tanika Dion. Alright, today's video is going to be on this eyeshadow look that I have done today, which I really, really like. Yeah, so, in the video, I'm just going to go straight through. Not going to be any talking or anything like that. I'm just going to be putting on the eyeshadow and yeah, and then I do not show where I do my foundation and things like my foundation, well, the rest of my face, because like I said, it's basically just on the eyeshadow look that I have done here today, which I am calling So Misunderstood because of our star right here, the Villains Misunderstood palette. And yeah, so I've used the color Devious, the Fates, which is this blue. So Devious is this burnt orange, the Fates is this blue, and then I use this Diablo right here, which is this orange, I mean not orange, yellow greenish type shimmer color on the lid. Can you see? Don't ask me why I went like this. I had no idea why I just did that, yo. No idea. But anyway, and on my lips I do have Villains also, the Villains lip gloss in Bad Apple. Yeah, and it's a it's like a reddish with some shimmer in there. It is very, very pretty, and because of the eyes being so bold, I did just want to do a little plain, you know, basic lip, but still cute, which is what I believe that I came up with. It's very, I like it a lot. Yeah, looks like this. Just a real pretty lip gloss, and it has like a tint to it, so it looks like you have a little lipstick on, but you know, cute. I like it. So yeah, and of course, I don't want to make the video too long, so I'm going to go ahead and get right into the video. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, and this is the finished look. I did not show my foundation and the rest of my face on camera, because today's video was basically just about the eyeshadow. So yeah, and this is everything. I mean, I think it came out really pretty. The only thing that I wish that I did not do is the lashes. The lashes are very, very beautiful, but I should have picked a less dramatic lash. But I saw them in the drawer and I was like, yes. But I didn't realize how full that they were in the box until I put them on. And by the time I had the one on, I was not taking it off. So I said, well, we're gonna make it do what it do. It's a little overpowering for the eyeshadow look because I wanted the eyeshadow to be the standout star today, but you know, it is what it is. I still think it complements the look. Yeah, compliments it. Looks really pretty, but again, I wish I didn't have such a dramatic lash on so that you can see more of the eyeshadow itself. I mean, you know, I don't know if you guys think it looks good, you know, just let me know. But yeah, I think it came out really pretty though. And then for foundation, I just used the L'Oreal True Match. I used the Nikki Tutorials Highlight, NARS Blush. Everything that I use will be in the description. And I really appreciate you all watching today. So if you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a video, like my video, and comment. And thank you so much for sticking around and watching me. Remember, at 300 subscribers, I will be doing another giveaway, and it will be bigger than the 200 subscribers. I am almost halfway there. I think I'm at like 246 or something like that. So, you know, let's keep it going, everybody. Please tell your friends and your family members. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.